Hey guys, Candy Poppy Ring here, coming to you with a new video. Well, Bug's watching some TV. I am going to be working on the rest of these goodie bags for daycare. This is part 2. Doing the goodie bags. So if you missed part 1, I work at a daycare. And I'm making, for our Halloween party, I'm making goodie bags for my class, my preschool class, and then for the older toddlers, which is my son's class, we are using these little bags from Dollar Tree. We've got ghosts, vampires, and little Frankensteins. What, baby? Go watch. Baby, are you hungry? You want to eat? You want one of these?
No.
What do you want? You're not getting candy. Hold on, guys. My son's losing his mind for no reason. Oh, you want these?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go, my dog.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. All right. So we have those 3 designs for the bags. In the bag so far we have candy, either rings or bracelets, a gummy, and a little figure. It's either a bug or a sea creature. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have 25 kids in my class that'll be there, because some kids won't get there in time for the party because their bus gets there so late. Some kids don't come on Thursdays. So we have about 25 kids. We have extra bags that I'm going to use for my family. So it'll be my 4 kids, because little man's getting counted as a daycare child. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these for my son's class. These are a little different. So in these ones, they have the candy rings only. There's only candy rings. There's no candy bracelets. Then they've also got these little Crayola gummies, another gummy, and then a little toy. So that's what's in those. And then I'm making a pile of all the extra stuff to put in the bag. Nope, to put in the bags for my family. So we've got these little, I have 2 packs of these. I don't know where the other pack went. These little lollipops. Because it's stupid. I had to buy 2 packs because there's only 7 in each pack and I needed 8. These are going in the ones for my son's class. Because I don't know if I'm going to give them the dum-dums. Everyone says it's okay to give them the dum-dums. But these ones are a little bit bigger. Because his class is, him and my coworker's son are the oldest. And they're almost 2.5. They'll be 2.5 in December. And everyone else is pretty much between, because that class goes up to 3. It's licensed for 18 months up to 3, but it's the older toddlers. We're going to throw one of these carnival lollipops in each of the daycare bags. Each of the toddler bags. The toddler bags do have more stuff currently than the older kids' bags, because the older kids can have more of the other candy that I bought, because they're older, so they can have the smaller candy. And then I bought yesterday, I bought my 3 big kids. So my older 3 stepsons, all candy slime. Something just tells me it's not a good idea to give it to her 4-year-old, and my 2-year-old definitely cannot handle it. So, Princess's 4-year-old is autistic, and I just don't see that being good with a 4-year-old in general. Anyhow, so I'm only gonna have to put one of these sour ones in here. I don't know how much the little kids are gonna like sour candy. So these will go in the extra bin. For the stuff to use towards my family. Because if there's enough extra, like, of the big kid stuff, and I think it's, then I'll throw it in for the little kids. There's usually not enough of the little kid stuff for the big kids. Because there's way more little kids. Because there's way more little kids than there are big kids. Or, way more big kids than there are little kids. We've got some super cute stickers that we're going to throw in here. So trying to make it not all candy. But it was hard because most things came in like a 6-pack. Traxton, you're okay. Watch your show. It was like a 6-pack for like $3. And I'm like, okay. But I have 25 kids in the class. Not doing that. Like, it was fine for his... And it's funny because all the stuff that came in, like, 8-packs, 7 or 8-packs, was, like, 50 cents or $1. All the stuff for his class. So we're going to cut up... So I'm going to cut up these sticker sheets. So I can divide these out amongst the children. Amongst the goodie bags. What's up, baby? Who's eating? This kid has been non-stop eating this morning. He ate 2 Go-Gurts. He ate a pack of mini breakfast biscuits. And now he's eating a... Those were the blueberry ones. For Go-Gurt, he ate an orange cream one and a red, white, and blue one. And now he's eating a... What is it? It's like a breakfast protein bar thing. In the flavor caramel apple. From... Good to Go, or... I can't find one, but I don't know the name of the brand. It's whatever that new brand is. The Good, or whatever it is. That they have at Walmart now. They had them at Target for some reason. So we're going to cut up these stickers. And we're going to put... I was going to try and find... I couldn't find fake tattoos. I was going to put fake tattoos in there. But I've got 3 sticker sets. I've got these frog ones. I've got these ones. And then I've got these ones. These ones are both puffy stickers. And then, like, it's weird because like, classes have, like, odd numbers of kids. So it was, like, everything was either, like, a 2-pack, a single pack. Everything was either a single, a 2-pack, or it was a, everything was either a single pack, a double pack, a 6-pack, an 8-pack, or a 10-pack. So I only needed, like, I only needed 33 of things total. Like, if I was buying it for both classrooms. So I had to buy, like, 40 of them Or if I was buying stuff for just my son's class, I only needed 8. So I had to buy either, if they didn't have it in an 8-pack, I had to buy 2 6-packs. Or, you know, it was annoying. Like this is a 30 set of stickers. This is a 30 set of stickers. I just realized this is only a 20 set of stickers. And there's 25 kids in my classroom. So it'll either be way too much for the little kids or it'll be not enough for the big kids. Because someone did get shorted an animal because I wasn't planning on giving them to the little kids. But I didn't realize that the sea creatures were so big. Even though it says 3+ on there, they're big enough. They have animals about that size in their classroom. So it's fine. But yeah, that kind of annoys me. So that's how that worked out. So what's everyone up to this weekend? Today I'm chilling. I'm going to hang out, try and do some work down here. And then when Bug goes to bed, I'm going to work on the basement a little bit. Daddy will be home around 2, I think. Because he has to go get the big kids after he gets out of work. Princess has to go get gas for me later and go pay her phone bill. And she wanted to go turn in cans and bottles for me because we've got about 5 bags of cans and bottles. Because literally, no joke, all we drink in this house is 90% energy drinks, water. Well, I primarily drink 0 sugar energy drinks, water, and flavored water, and occasionally alcohol. Princess mostly drinks soda, occasionally water, and alcohol. Daddy primarily drinks soda, energy drinks, and flavored water, like with the flavor packets. Bug mostly drinks sparkling water. So my older stepson mostly drinks water with flavor packets in it. That's mostly what she drinks, or what he drinks. So we have a crap ton of bottles and cans. She gets mad that we recycle them, but sometimes that's how we there's literally some weeks when that's the only way we can put gas in our car. Is by doing that. You watching your show? You watching Turtles?
Yeah.
Go watch your Turtles, baby. I didn't know my son was into Ninja Turtles. Because the main things my son watches right now are Paw Patrol, Bluey, and for some reason lately Blippi. And Random Encounters here on YouTube. He likes their weird music videos.
Okay. Mama, go. Mama, yeah. Okay.
Go watch it, baby.
Okay.
Stop yelling.
Okay.
Well, Mommy's busy.
Okay.
He's getting really mad.
Okay.
This is why I don't film more, guys, because it's really hard, because this morning, I got accused of not taking care of my child. Because I get 2 days a week to sleep in, right? My days off, Saturday, Sunday. Well, this kid doesn't like to sleep in. And his dad has been having to work 6 days a week. So now his days off are Mondays. Because of having to take the older kids to school when we have them. So he wasn't fully crying. So I had left him in his crib. I hadn't gotten him out yet because he was like that on and off whining. And sometimes when he gets like that, he'll go right back to sleep. So she eventually, she's downstairs. Oh, Princess is downstairs. I'm in bed. Still. She eventually messages me and says, hey, he's up. I said, okay. Well, I wasn't sure, because we had been talking about the cat, so I wasn't sure if she was talking about the cat or if she was talking about Bug. Well, then she gets all annoyed, comes upstairs with some of her clothes, whatever, some of her stuff. And she had gone to the bathroom. He starts crying again, so I'm like, whatever, I'll get up and get him. So I was getting pants. I was trying to find pants so I could get up and get him, right? Well, she gets up. Ow. And starts. So she goes in there and starts freaking out, saying, oh, well, no one wants to get up and get him, blah, blah, blah. I said, dude, like, it was pissing me off because I was literally about to get up and get him. Like, I'm sorry that I don't get to sleep in. And I'm overtired because I'm on my period. And it's been a very, 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 very stressful week. Okay, so we're going to start putting these in the bags. So, I just want to stay in bed for an extra few minutes because I woke up because for no reason, I woke up at 7:30. And the night before, I had gone to bed at 5 in the morning and gotten up at 8 for work yesterday. So I was running on, like, no sleep. And then I didn't get home till about 11:30 last night. Till, like, 11:30 from grocery shopping and going out to dinner. And I didn't even sit down until almost midnight. So I was exhausted. But at this point, she basically feels like I'm taking advantage of her because I don't pay her to watch my son. Which really pisses me off because because I only ask her 1, maybe 2 days a week when we're short-staffed and we don't have room for him to go. And it's going to mean I'm not going to get hours if he has to go. Or if he's really sick or something and can't go. So that annoys me. But she feels like I should be paying her $70 to $80 a week to babysit. I said no. I said, I'll keep him in daycare then. Where it's only $7 a week. I said, and quite frankly, since she doesn't pay rent or help pay any of the bills here, it's the least she can do is babysit and cook and help out with dishes. It's literally all we ask her to do. And then she offers to drive us back and forth to work. I'm about to start telling her. So, okay, I'm going to tell her when she gets a job, and if she gets a third shift job or something, and she has, and, because both of her kids, I'm going to start charging her to watch her kids then. If she wants to charge me to watch mine. Because that's not fair. Because I said something about how I'm not a built-in babysitter for my fiance, for daddy. Because, no joke, dead ass. The last 2 weekends that we've had the kids, last weekend and this weekend, I get stuck with them the whole weekend, and it's not fair to me. Like, it's one thing how to help out with them. But we go through these cycles. Like, we go through cycles where he's able to get every other weekend off. Or he's able to get them after he gets out of work on Saturday and has Sunday off. Or whatever the case may be. So that, I'm not fully stuck with them, but lately it's not been that way. And quite frankly, it's ridiculous and it's not fair to me. That I never get a break from kids. Occasionally on Saturday, I'll get a couple hour break, but that's about it. Let's see, how many do we have left? So we've got the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so we've got enough to probably put 2 stickers in each one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we have enough to put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have enough to put 2 more stickers in, 2 more stickers each in the preschool buckets, or in the toddler buckets, and 1 more sticker each in the preschool ones. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll keep the rest as extras. More what? What do you want? You want another breakfast bar? You want these ones? You want these ones? What do you want then? You want fishies? Yeah. Okay, here. Give me unstuck eating today. What do you eat? Okay. This kid is literally non-stop eating today. My goodness. He ate a breakfast bar. He ate some of these little guys. He ate 2 Go-Gurts. Now he's eating goldfish. Go eat, baby. Well, you can't come in here right now, sir. Jeez, this is taking so long. I might have to make a part 3. Because I don't want these videos to be way too long. I try and keep my videos between 20 minutes and 40 minutes. Hi, Graham. Your ears don't look that yucky, sir. Okay, watch out, baby. So, I think I might go, because I don't want this video to be way too long, and I'll do a part 3, I guess. Ugh. So yeah, it's 10:10. But I think before I do the next item, I am gonna... What, baby? Go and get this done. Or before I do the next item, I'm gonna make a new video. Okay, so I'm gonna go, and I will catch you in part 3. Bye, guys.